So this is my website. My question is called how to create Instagram ads using by Facebook. What the very important step that is mean by, so my Instagram ready and my Facebook page is ready. So how to connect Facebook page to Instagram? That is connected by go to settings where your Facebook page. In this option call is Instagram. One page will connect only for one Instagram account. Always remember, one Facebook page connect by only one Instagram account. Same Instagram account will be not connected by another Facebook page. One page, one Twitter account, one Instagram account. So connect your account. Is login your username and password. If all exists, you need to add your access. Ready? Now click for login. Automatically start your login process. Why? I'm already, my Instagram will be login ready. Now it will crossing your steps. Everything ready. Continue, continue, and continue. And you can write by your email. Not interested. Click for done. So everything ready? So your account was created by successfully. Is it clear? Previous connect to Instagram. Now account will be connected will be successfully. Is it clear? After that, after connecting your Instagram, your Facebook page, you can start your create ads. Start your create ads. The ad will be go to Facebook page. Go to Facebook page. Just click here. The option call is advertise your business. So in this one, select any option. Send message. I'm selecting for anyone you wish. So I'm selecting for promote your business locally. That is to promote your mapping. In this, automatically add by your Instagram. Automatically by Instagram. So here they're showing for ad not run means the image test content. So any kind of ads will be created. Now will be supported by the Instagram. And Instagram. Is it clear? When connect your page to Instagram, the ad will display by the Instagram account and your Facebook page. Now see how to you can show by Instagram. This will show by Instagram. See this ad. So here the showing for ad not run. That is called image problem. Select your image. Change your image. Done. Now click for promote. So this is created by the Facebook page and your connect by the Instagram. That you will be connect by your option. Instagram stories. See this. Desktop news feed, mobile news feed, Facebook stories, message inbox, Instagram stories, Instagram, and your mobile marketing place. Total display by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 type of ads. This will be very important by the particular option to create by the Instagram ads using Facebook business page.